Ladies and gentlemen, by the silence of all ages, are you ready to feel the love? Welcome to the Hearts Week 2026 Festival. We are right here at the Municipal County Board for a night of music, laughter, and heartfelt moments. Tonight is all about music, talent, and most importantly, the love that ties our community together. Please rise as we solemnize this event with identification and pay tribute to our nation and our dear town for the Philippine National Anthem and the legacy.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Bayang mag-ibig, dalas ng silanganan, alab ng puso.
To our distinguished guests, our energetic contestants from the green, blue, red, and yellow teams, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, all the lovers of porn gathered here tonight. Welcome to the local government unit of the Yasa Horse Celebration 2026.
Good evening, everyone, once again. And on behalf of the local government unit of Tiasan, a warm and heartfelt welcome to all our beloved couples, our guests, officials, and friends who are here tonight to celebrate love, unity, and commitment. So earlier today, we witnessed a beautiful mass wedding at 9 in the morning, administered by, of course, our beloved municipal mayor, the Honorable Susano Antonio D. Roberto III. So let's give him a resounding applause. And of course, we also extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Sangguniang Bayan members na sponsor sila sa ato ang cake and wine kaganinang buntag. So ato ko silang palakpakan. And now, after the couples came, so we gathered once again for the highlight of this evening, our special program filled with music, fun, and celebration of love. So we all know that love is not just about grand gestures, it is about staying, choosing each other every day, and growing together through every season. And tonight, we celebrate that kind of love. And this evening, ladies and gentlemen, our program tonight will not be completed without someone who will welcome us tonight. And to do the honor, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our beloved Municipal Mayor, the Honorable Susano Antonio D. Roberto III, for his opening remarks.
Our Municipal Vice Mayor, Attorney Susano L. Sprinkle Jr., to the members of Sangguniang Bayan, who is here, department heads, judges, beloved constituents, all our guests, LGU employees, and all who have gathered tonight to celebrate Hearts Day here in the municipality of Tiasan. A lovely evening to us all. Ngayong gabi ka namin tanan. Today has truly been a beautiful celebration of love, unity, and community. This morning, we successfully conducted our Kalsalang Bayan free wedding, where couples affirmed their commitment not only to each other, but also to the values of family, faith, and responsibility that strengthen our municipality. Allow me to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this meaningful event possible. Our dedicated organizing team, partner agencies, sponsors, and LGU personnel who worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Your cooperation and service embodied the true spirit of public service and bayanihan. Because of you, this day became a memorable milestone for many families. And tonight, we continue our celebration with music and joy, beginning with the vocal solo duet performances of our talented LGU employees who remind us that beyond our daily responsibilities, we also share gifts that inspire and bring people together. And right after, let us look forward to an exciting live band performance featuring L.A. Santos and the Cold Fusion Band, bringing energy and entertainment to our Hearts Day celebration. We must also remember the Hearts Day is more than romance. It is a reminder to spread kindness, compassion, and appreciation to everyone around us. Our families, friends, colleagues, and community. Let us continue to build a municipality grounded in love, unity, and shared purpose. On behalf of the local government unit of Tiasan, thank you for celebrating with us. May tonight be filled with happiness, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Happy Hearts Day, Tayasan, Laptag ka, Tayasan.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mayor Sasama Antonio D. Robredo III, for your inspiring message and continued support for programs that strengthen families and marriages in our community. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give another resounding applause to our beloved Municipal Mayor. And before we proceed, we would like to request our contestant for the vocal solo. Alit natin sa tumangan mo lingkod for the vocal solo from the different clusters for tonight's competition.
Our first judge is a native of Binabangan, Tayasan, Negros Oriental, a licensed professional teacher. He is connected at Negros College as his student affairs officer, a designated chairman for community extension program in the College of Education from 2024 to present, coordinator, culture and arts affiliated with the local government unit of Ayun. Instructor, College of Criminal Justice Education, and former member of the CS Choir, founder, Kahimatan On Choir, a professional all-event host, and talent enthusiast and a teacher by profession. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our first judge, no less than teacher, Janary Callao Estrada, a big round of applause.
Our second judge, a licensed professional teacher, mapping educator, at the junior high school cultural director of Himalayan National High School. He has extensive experience in music, direction, choreography, and stage production. He choreographed and stage award-winning musical productions for major corporate competitions, including the Landbank Central Visayas Musical Competition held at Mangkukal Resort, Morshan, Negros Occidental, the Bounty Fresh Region 7 Musical Competition held in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, and the Noreco Musical Competition held in Dumaguete City, where his entries were declared grand champions. With his strong background in performing arts and production, he brings valuable expertise in tonight's competition. Ladies and gentlemen, let us warmly welcome our second judge, Mr. Roy G. Inclunar. Are you stopping on those please?
Our next judge is a graduate and Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English at Foundation University. He obtained his Master of Arts in Education, major in English in the same university. He is currently pursuing his Doctor of Education, still at Foundation University. A master teacher assigned presently at Ayun National High School and a district English coordinator in Ayun 1 district. A flexible part-time teacher at Negros College since 2002, handling English and literature subjects. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Teacher Rob Emperado Bermudo.
Now we will proceed with the reading of the guidelines and criteria of the contest. For our guidelines, the contest is open to the national and local employees of the local government unit of the ASEAN representing their respective offices, department, or kingdom. Each team may send one entry for local solo and one entry for local duet. Contestants must be under the group they belong. Contestants may sing one any OPM or English or Cebuano love song. -1 accompaniment or live guitar or piano is allowed. Strictly no background vocals. Time limit 4 to 5 minutes maximum per performance. Overtime will merit point deduction. Contestant must submit their -1 file to the committee at least 1 day before the contest. And performance order will be determined by drawing of lots before on the event. Contestants must be present during the call time. Failure to appear when called equals to disqualification. Proper attire is encouraged, semi-formal or theme-based. For our criteria for the vocal solo, voice quality and pitch accuracy, 30%. Musicality and interpretation, 30%. Stage presence and confidence, 20%. Overall impact, 10%. For a total of 100%. For our vocal duet, voice quality and pitch accuracy, 30%. Harmony and blending, 25%. Stage presence and confidence, 15%. Musicality and interpretation, 20%. Overall impact, 10%. For a total of 100%.